Did you know cracking your knuckles makes that pop sound because of gas bubbles in your joints? But is it safe or harmful? Fact 1. Research shows knuckle cracking does not cause arthritis. That's just a myth. Fact 2. However, doing it too often may cause swelling or weaken grip strength over time. Fact 3. For most people, it's harmless. But if you feel pain, stiffness, or swelling, it could be a sign of joint issues. Smart tip: occasional cracking is fine, but don't overdo it. Keep your joints healthy with stretching and exercise instead. So cracking your knuckles isn't dangerous, but moderation matters.